Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creative by Favi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. If you love craft and DIYs, everything on the budget, you are in the right place. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, upcycle DIYs, and trash to treasure, which is my favorite. So if you love that kind of context, I would love to you hit the red button around here, get subscribed, and be part of this awesome family. In today's video, I'm so excited because a little bit different, a little bit funny, and it's been suggesting for you. So I was holding on, but finally got to do it, and I can't wait to share with you. So without that being said, let's go ahead and see what happens.
Hello everybody, this is Favi's husband, and I'm going to do this voiceover for, I don't know what we're doing here. I haven't even seen this yet, so I'm just kind of winging it as I go. We need some materials, and some ribbon, and some paint, and we're going to open the package and put it together. I think we're going to put some paint on here. Yep, there we go. We're going to spread the paint all over the place. And, yep, get it all around the edges. And I'll use the hair dryer on it. Yep. Make sure that you got it all. Okay, so now we're putting glue. We're going to glue these two pieces together. And we're going to put some ribbon around it. Yep. We're going to put ribbon around. We're going to glue that, and what are we going to do next? We're going to, just like so. I don't know what that popsicle stick was for. But we're going to pinch it in the corners, right? Yep. And now it looks like a little box. Put it off to the side. And now we need the flower pots. And we're going to open them up and put them out. And what are we going to do with them? Flip them over. And then I guess we're going to paint them. And while we're watching the paint, I'm going to take a sip of my beer. You always got to have a beer when you're doing crafts, you know. And, wait, what? Oh, I guess we didn't like that color. I don't know. Oh, well, okay, so I guess we're doing a different color. And I guess you can, that's the fun part about these things, is you can kind of do whatever you want and keep trying things till it works. And oh, look at these little guys running around. I'm not sure what they're doing out here, but it looks like they're having a great time. Look at the little one running around trying to keep up. Doot, 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 doot. And, oh, they're collecting pine cones for mommy's projects. Oh, somebody might have had a little too much to drink there. All right, so now we got the pine cones. We got the flower pots all painted. And I guess we get some rocks. Throw those in there. And I got to tell you something. When my wife was doing this part, I kept hearing a bunch of cursing downstairs. And I'm like, what's going on downstairs? And I come up, and for whatever reason, I guess she was just having such a difficult time getting these pine cones to stay inside of the rocks. I guess it's not as easy as she makes it look. I'm like, what are you doing? What's going on down here? I can't get it to stay the way I want it. But, I mean, I can't do the accent. However she does the accent, I don't know. But it's funny. It's funny to me. I don't know. So, oh, there we go. That's the finished product, and it looks beautiful. My wife is so talented. All right, and now I guess there's a second DIY, and it looks like we're using the same stuff we were using for the first one. All right, you get, well, I guess a little different. Same ribbon, some twine, some paint. Of course, there's always paint involved. That's why, you know, we spend so much money on paint, because there's always paint involved. And again, we open it up, and what are we doing? We're taking stuff apart, and more hairdryer stuff. And just basically getting everything ready for us to start painting it. I'm pretty sure that that's what we're going to do next. All right, so now we're going to... Now we got tacky glue, and we're going to put it on the sides. And stick these two boards together. Put some popsicle sticks in the middle, I guess, for some support. And well, now what? Smooth it out and put some paint all over it. Alright, so now that it's all dry, we take the brown paint. Oh, we're going to make some lines. I'm guessing we're trying to make it look like wood slats. And yeah, that's pretty decent. And now what? So then we take some ribbon and we cut it in. What are we doing here? It looks like we are making a cake. We're doing a cake? Is that what we're doing? A Christmas cake? Oh, wait, no, I guess we're folding the edges. And I guess we're going to do it to all of them. And gather all of them up, grab the glue, and start sticking them onto the board. And put them in such a way that it looks like a cake, just like so. And now we put the star on the top, and I'm guessing we're making it look sort of like a Christmas tree or like a bunch of presents stacked up. Alright, so now we're painting the edges. We made it white. And oh wait, brown paint now. And what are we doing with the brown paint? It looks like we're adding a little detail, and oh, look at that, came out pretty good. And putting it on top with a little bit of glue, like so. And now, oh wait, burlap ribbon. What are we doing with this? Guess we're folding it again, and oh, look at that. I guess it is a Christmas tree. I was right. It's not a cake. And oh, twine, my wife's favorite thing. Add some twine. And what are we doing with this twine? Wrapping it around, and it looks like Christmas lights a little bit. And look at that. Awesome. Wait. Oh, more twine around the edges. And some more glue. And like my wife says, to give it a rustic look. And cut it at the end. Don't cut your fingers off. Looks pretty good. We're not going to do it to the other side. Oh, I guess we are. We'll do it to the other side. Look at that. Beautiful. And put it around the back. I guess that's so that you can hang it. And oh, the finished product. Looks beautiful. Anyway, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.